Hi friends, welcome to Garfin's Creation. Today we'll be making this yummy potato snacks called potato bites. To begin with, I have taken around 350 grams 4 medium-sized potatoes which are boiled and now grated. We'll keep this aside for some time. And to make some breadcrumbs, I have taken 2 slices of bread. These are stale bread. It's good enough to make breadcrumbs. You can also use ready-made breadcrumbs. Now once this bread is broken, I will pulse it in the mixer till I get a very fine powder type breadcrumb. Okay, our breadcrumb is now ready. You can see how fine I have ground it in the mixer. Now let's add this to the grated potato with other ingredients too. This is 1 teaspoon garlic powder, half a teaspoon pepper powder, 1 tablespoon corn flour, half a teaspoon salt. Salt you can adjust as per your taste. I will be mixing all the ingredients and making a soft dough. If you feel your potatoes too sticky, you can add more breadcrumbs or corn flour. Now I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of rice atta or rice flour and knead it again. Now add 1 tablespoon of finely chopped coriander leaves. Just mix it a little and then we'll keep the dough to rest in the fridge for at least half an hour. The potato dough is now ready. I will keep it now in the fridge for at least half an hour so it's easy to roll out. After half an hour, I'll be rolling it into 1 centimeter thickness. You can also roll it upon a plastic bag or butter paper. This is around 1 centimeter thickness. I'm using a star cookie cutter which I'll be dipping in corn flour so that it doesn't stick to the potato dough. You can use whichever cookie cutter you have. Now cut the rest of it in the same way. If you have a smiley cutter, you can use that too and create shapes with it. These are all ready and now you can keep them in the fridge and fry them later or even fry them straight away. You can make more stars from these. Just gather the dough together, knead it lightly and then roll it and cut out shapes as you desire. I'll be making more stars from this dough once more and later gather all the dough again and knead it and then make some potato straws. If you do not have a cookie cutter, you can also take a small portion of the potato dough and roll it between your hands and create small straws like this. I'll be making more straws from the remaining potato dough. Once these are done, you can either keep them in the fridge or fry them straight away. To fry the potato bites, heat sufficient oil in a kadai. And when the oil is hot enough, add in those stars little at a time. Fry them on medium heat till all are nice and golden brown. Keep moving them so that they do not stick to each other. Since these are smaller in size, it will take around 2 to 3 minutes to get the nice golden brown. You can also fry them directly from the fridge, but that will take a little more time. These easy garlic potato bites are very tasty and will get over the moment it comes out of the pan. It is best to serve hot with your favorite sauce or ketchup. These potato bites, you can make them ahead and keep them in the fridge and just fry them when you need to snack on something. These are fried nice and golden brown, and I'll be taking them out now. Continue frying the rest of it in the same way. Now let's fry the potato sticks too in the same way. To make these potato bites a little more spicier, you can add half a teaspoon of red chili flakes while kneading the potato dough. If you're feeling hungry and you have some potatoes at home, do try this recipe. This is a very easy with few ingredients yet delicious potato bite recipe. Continue frying all the potato sticks till nice and golden brown. Now let's plate it and have it with some nice ketchup. So these are all ready, and now let's try it and give it a taste. I'm trying this with some hot and sweet tomato sauce. It's really tasty and delicious. Do try this recipe and let me know in the comments how you liked it. Thanks for watching, and please do subscribe and support my small channel. Thank you. Until we meet again. Take care. Bye-bye.